Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this two-piece metal paper tearing ruler. It also comes with a water pen for scrapbooking. Alright, so right here we have a ruler that can actually also cut paper. The size of this is 33 centimeters or 13 inches long. The water pen itself is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches. This is a high quality stainless steel material. They give you centimeters and inches on each side. It is 0.8 millimeter thickness. It does come with a water pen, so you can use that for scrapbooking. So not only do you get it for using it as a ruler, but you can also tear your paper on both sides. So right here is the doodle pen. This right here, you just add water to the bottom and you can use it to scrapbooking. So it says twist off, but it's actually more of a pull off. So you just pull it off, you fill this up with water, and you can use this water pen for your scrapbooking. And then right here you can see the tip, it's a ballpoint tip. It's a really nice pen, so you can use this if you're doing any homework, any drawing and stuff like that. This is a great water pen. So now we're going to get into the ruler itself. So you can see it's got teeth on one side and it's got like an edge on the other side. So not only can you use this as a ruler, but it does cut the paper. So I'm just going to remove it from the wrapping. This is a two-piece. I just have one right here. So you got the centimeters on one side, you've got the inches on the other side. So if you want to tear your paper and you don't have anything to tear it, like a paper cutter or anything, that's what this is for. So this one here will cut it more like a jagged, and then the bottom one will cut it more like a teeth. So I'm just going to grab this just for demonstration purposes. So you just hold this down and then you pull it down, and you can see that it's ripping it by the jagged teeth. So you get this way your paper will look like, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it around and we're going to do it the other side. So we're going to grab it. This is more of a cleaner cut. So when you do it, it's more of like a round. So you can see the difference between this side and the other side. One is more of the teeth and the other one's more of kind of a clearer cut. So this thing here is a nice ruler that will help you cut papers if you need to cut your paper. So if you're looking for a ruler that comes with a pen and you can also cut your paper, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. This is great for when your kid's in school and they need a ruler as well as a paper cutter.